So then, welcome back to another drawing video on Nails Creaking Arts. As you can see, I have done some artwork on my tech deck ramps. The tagged one was first. Look, this is what I want to see you watching. Right, now let's get into the drawing. So then, today we are going to be doing graffiti tags. This is something I've been doing for a while and I'm getting better at. So let's get started. Right now, as you can see on the paper, these two, the horns in the halo, that's like a symbol people use above the tag. So I want to keep that. So then, let's start the tags. Today, we'll start with the word what we're doing, tags. So then, this is like any letter you can do, but you make it in your own way. Say, there, tags. And I'd say a halo or whatever you want. And then say, this now is for my friend out there who's doing a channel. You might not get it perfect first time. It does take a bit of work. DJ Prim. So go over to his channel and search this on YouTube. You may need to type in DJ Prem channel. It doesn't always come up with just DJ Prem. So go and watch him. Let's add a little halo. And then head over to eat stuff. Now go and check out his stuff. See what I did there? Right, this end F wasn't that good, but it still looks fine. No, it really does not look fine. So you wanted to do like A, you'd go up, down, circle it round. Up, down, circle around. Learn that. Up, down, circle around. Then say R, you could do either a capital like that or a lowercase like that. That's the most common R I see, with like a little line above the top bit of the R. And then say, so then this is the one of, so like there's loads of stuff you could do. Like you could write someone's names or something, like say Reese, for example. R, say H Y S. Done. Then you can see the S is there, which is attached to the Y. Reese. So sorry about that little pause. As I was saying, Reese. You can see the S there, and then the Y there. I originally got graffiti tags from my mum. Like, she used to do it a lot. like her name. This isn't her actual name, this is like a tag name or something. No. Something like that. Right, just don't give up like that. Do not do that, because then it looks even worse. And then like I've got all this R's, different types of letters. And like you could do, you could write words like Smiggle, Lego, or names. Oh yeah, look at this piece of art I've done. Radio 1 Extra. This is on Instagram somewhere. Like, I don't actually have it, it's on my dad's account. So, and I will put the link in the description maybe soon. Okay. So then again, we're close to 15 subscribers. And I need you all out there watching this to leave a like and smash that subscribe button. Okay. Peace.